Hello everyone, so this is going to be a quick review of the Bose Solo Sound Bar system. So let me first unbox. Alright, so the first we have some manuals, and then we have a box for the accessories like chargers and connecting cables, etc. Then we have the main speaker. Okay, so let's take the speaker out. And this is how the speaker looks from the front side. And as you can see in the back side, in the left, we have the port, we have the place that from where the bass here comes out, and in the middle we have a wall mount option, and in the right side we have all the connectivity port for the power and RC cable, and also fiber optic cable as well. So now I'll be playing one trailer after connecting it with my television, and let's see how far a sound effect we can get from this speaker.
Dominic Toretto just went rogue.
You gonna turn your back on family? I know it looks bad. Don't give up on them so easy.
You've only got one chance to make this family whole again.
Don't do this, Dom.
Ready?
One thing I can guarantee, no one's ready for this.
She's the very definition of high-tech terrorism.
There's thousands of cars in this city, and now they're all mine.
Now I know what it feels like to be every cop ever chasing us. Wait!
Oh, damn!
Right, that is enough. So I have been testing this product for last few days now. I have tested with different kind of video trailers and movie trailers and MP3 audio, and I connected the system with my computer, and also currently it is connected with my television. So if you do not have a home theater, and if you are not happy with the stock speakers of your television, then this is a okay kind of product, but it's never going to be a replacement of a real home theater, because this product, as you can see, does not come with a dedicated subwoofer or a bass module. That's why the bass is not that much thumping or impactful, but it still has better than the stock television speaker. So if you're looking for something within 200 budget, 200 to 225, and with the brand name of Bose, then it's okay to get started with. As I said, as this does not have a dedicated bass module, so the sound is weaker, but it's still better than what you can get from television. But if you're looking for really a better sound, then you should go for a little bit higher cost, something from the Bose that costs around 999. That does come with a dedicated bass and subwoofer module, and it will be having a little bit of surround sound experience.